Hello, number three is you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is Himali Narsin, your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist, and life coach. Let's look at what are the energies coming up for number threes from the 18th of March to the rest of the month, and let's see what number threes will be doing in the rest of the month. I see some beautiful cards for number threes. So you've got Ten of Cups and the Lovers. So the Ten of Cups here indicates that you could be wanting to spend something with your family, some days with your family, going out on a holiday, taking a break, or this could be meaning that you would want an emotional fulfilling moment. You would want an emotionally fulfilling time. However, I see you could be in two choices, work or love, or you could have two choices on the love front, could be either of them, number threes. So whatever it is, you should just make sure that you're not making any choices in terms of money, power and desire. As long as you don't do that, you will be in a very good position, number threes. So this indicates this reading is for number 3, number 12, number 21, everybody who are born on 30th, Pisces and Sagittarius. So this applies to you. On the love front again, I see Ten of Pentacles, I see conditioning, which is the devil. So wanting to be with someone for the money or wanting to be with someone for the financial security could not go well in the long run, because this person will always dominate you. Also, there are other things associated in this partnership which you do not feel or which you've not seen yet, but they could be quite detrimental in the near future. So I would really advise you that be very careful who are you tying the knot to, or who are you committing to in terms of your love, because this, first of all, this looks like a permanent commitment to me, but whoever you sort of commit to can be very dangerous for your mental health. So just before you do that, be very sure, number threes. On the work front, I have the Justice and the Source. So Justice here definitely brings some good news. If you've been waiting for some sort of a new opportunity, if you've been waiting for some sort of a decision to come your way, this is your time to shine, number threes. This is your time when you finally get the limelight that you've been waiting for. The Source here indicates that you could be starting something new where you are the boss, you start your own facility, you start your own business line, and I think that is something that you've been wanting to do for a very long time, number threes. So great cards. Like, let's look at some of the advices that we have. The only thing is that you could be a little money dominated in the next few days, and that is something that you should completely avoid. Since we just crossed the new moon, let's look at what the Mother Moon has to say. The energy is gaining momentum. Definitely, this energy is gaining momentum. The lucky color for you is black. The lucky number for you is 1, 10, 19, 28. Find richness from the dark night. Retreat, it's time to disconnect from the world, is your message from Romance Angels. You need to spend some alone time with your partner to know them better, to know their positive and negative side. I think this will give you more clarity in terms of what you should do with the relationship. One thing you should let go is your guards up. Wolf Guardian, you are safe and protected at all times. So your spirit animal angels are always looking up on you. And an advice from angel would be let go. This could apply to anything, but yes, the advice is to let go. So number threes, this was your prediction for the coming month. Please let me know if this resonates with you. To book your personalized readings, please log on to our website, and we will revert to you in the next 24 to 48